Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the New Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can unsubscribe your mailbox from getting promotional emails from Temu Marketplace. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to your mailbox on your browser or via your mail client, and once you're logged in, just go ahead and search for Temu. Now as soon as you search for Temu, you're going to see a rundown of all the emails that you've gotten from Temu over time. And what you want to do is to look out for one of those promotional emails of the email. Now, for example, you see this one that says credit back. It's a promotional email. So just go ahead and click that to open. And once it's opened, you see unsubscribe just right at the top of the fold. So just go ahead and click on unsubscribe and then confirm your preference. Alright, so you can see unsubscribed from this mailing list. So it's as simple as that. That's how to stop getting promotional emails from Temu. However, you can also do this from the platform or from the app, but the fastest way to go about it is through your mailbox itself. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.